All right, so I made my list. I'm gonna see if I can get a lot of this done in a day. What I don't finish, I have tomorrow, but I still have some things on my other list I didn't quite do yet. These are things that I can do without Russ, so that would be nice if I can get it done, except for maybe a couple. But anyway, so I want to make strawberry rhubarb pie filling. And if I don't have enough to can, I'll just make a pie. There's a tractor part we need. Our lawnmower tractor has been down 3 weeks now, and the part's finally in. So it's raining today, so maybe I'll run and go get that. Friday, I like to go to Aldi's on Friday because it seems like they stock it on Thursday night. I don't know if a truck comes, there's their delivery night, but I find they have the most produce out there, so I want to get some fresh fruit. I don't really need it, but I'll see what they have. And the jelly. Their jelly, the real cheap grape jelly, is what the Orioles really like. I need more bird seed. I may or may not get that. Wait for us. Then I want to clean bathroom, my office here. I start and then I get interrupted and it doesn't happen. I want to wash the kitchen floor, mainly after I do the pie filling. The pillowcases and my bed and the blanket that we have on it. We don't have air conditioning, so we've been sleeping on top of the bed, and it's getting kind of, when you sweat. So I want to wash it, and actually I have those two things in the washer now. I want to clean more jars, clean the hummingbird feeder, and make new food, which I actually did. Now I'm just waiting for it to cool. I want to get more mulch for the garden, for the hibiscus we transplanted, and maybe put some on the herbs. I'm not sure. And with it raining today, if it stops, I might go get it this afternoon because it's cool today. Thank goodness. We're in the 70s, where it's been the high 90s the last 3 days, and it's been terrible. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll go tomorrow morning. And then, of course, I want to feed the Orioles. I got to work on some videos. And I got to put Russ's lunches together. Now, I have some made already. I have chicken with couscous done and vegetables. I have pancakes with bacon inside done for him. I have granola bars done. I do have to put together the carrots, the nuts, and the cut up nectarine, but that's just put it together. I have a croissant bake done. And here you can see on Friday he wants pizza. And I'm not sure about Saturday and Sunday, because Saturday we got to take Henry to the dog trainer, and I don't know. If it's hot, we might just do hamburgers. I don't know. We'll see. But I have some salmon in the freezer I want to get out, and I'll give him rice with stir-fried vegetables. He loves rice. I want to put a salad together, and I made a big turkey breast last week, and I tore it all apart, and I have turkey meat frozen, and we put that on salad. It's really good. For the cost of deli meat, I'll cook my own turkey. I want to make some more hard-boiled eggs, and I think I might have some tomatoes to put on his salad. I'm not sure. I don't remember. If I do, I wonder if they're still any good. I got paperwork. We are now getting natural gas. At least a line was put in, and I'd like to get natural gas. It's cheaper than propane. So I have paperwork to fill out, but some of the questions I don't get. So I want to do it with Russ and, of course, pay bills. And I want to cut another Wisconsin bowl with our CNC. And if I finally got the program correct, then I'm going to do a sample with 2 different types of stains, get it all nice and sanded, and see if I can't start selling those. So if you're interested in some Wisconsin CNC made bowls for like candles or just a tray, let me know. All right, so that's my list. I'm sure there's more I should be doing. And some of it I started and some I got to get moving. All right, let's get started on this stuff.
Been a long time coming, took the long way around, but I think I see something coming up from the ground. And I don't know if I told you, but I think you're the world. Yeah, and I got this feeling you could be my girl.
So now that I have it all cut up, I'm going to use, I think it's 2 jars of strawberry jam that didn't really set up right. And I'm going to use that for my strawberries. Now, as you watch this, it seems to turn out okay. And it did. I mean, it tasted wonderful. It really tasted really good. But it just looked so unpleasing. And I think it's because of the jelly I'm using. It just turned it dark. Anyway, Russ and I ate about half of it and I gave it to the chickens. I liked it. It just did not look pleasing though. And I'm not using those strawberry jelly for this again. I may end up just getting rid of them even though they tasted good. Or I'll just cook them down again. I don't know. I don't want to keep cooking it though. I haven't decided.
It's been a long day, darling. I need someone to hold.
You know, sometimes you get lucky at grocery stores and you get a piece of fruit that's just amazing. Well, this cantaloupe was it. So I thought I'm going to cut it up real quick and then I can have it ready for Russ's lunches and then for me to eat to the rest of the week. And I think we were able to get 2 weeks out of this and it was still amazing.
I don't wanna be alone no more, and your love's like a crazy dream. And I will always love you. I will always care about you, and I will always love you. I will always care about you. Come on, run away with me. We can see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy dream. Your love's like a crazy dream.
You can tell your old man you'll do some largemouth fish in another town. You just got too much on your plate to bait and cast a line. You can always put a rain check in his hand till you can't. You can keep putting off forever with that girl whose heart you hold, swearing that you'll last someday further down the road. You can always put a diamond on her hand till you can't.
About once a month I give my fridge a real good cleaning. Whether it needs it or not, it just helps me organize it and let me see what I have, don't have. And it's something I've just always have done.
'Cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can till you can. There's a box of greasy parts sitting in the trunk of that 65, still waiting on you and your granddad to bring it back to life. You can always get around to fixing up that Pontiac till you can't. If you got a chance, take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it, 'cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love just talk away, 'cause you'll never know how bad you wanna till you can't someday. Don't wait on tomorrow, 'cause tomorrow may not show. Say your sorries, your I love yous, 'cause man, you never know. If you got a chance, take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it, 'cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can, till you can. Yeah, if you got a chance, take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it, 'cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can, until you can. Till you can. Yeah. Take it.
From 10,000-foot skies, I'd navigate the lies, never fear demise, nor be timid of the rule. How can I grow wise if never I'm a fool? And home is in my heart, so why do I get lost in the crowd, trying to be proud? Oh, I must be quiet enough to hear the sound, the song inside my soul as it echoes in the clouds. Hey, I'm gonna sing it loud. I'm gonna sing it loud. Raindrops ripple as I breathe. I can feel the deep blue miles from my feet. Coming up for air, conscience coming clean. I have left the past at the bottom of the sea. 'Cause home is in my heart. Why do I get lost in the crowd, trying to be proud? Oh, I must be quiet enough to hear the sound, a song inside my soul. I'm gonna write it down. Yeah, I'm gonna sing it loud. Oh, I'm gonna sing it loud. Ooh, no matter where you land or how far you may fall, you have heart, you have hands, and the highest calling of our lives is to find the grace in the very place we stand. And I'm gonna sing it I'm gonna sing it
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go anywhere you wanna go. Ooh, there's no place we can't go. Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you. With you. Some life is not the same when we're apart. If you follow me tonight, I'll walk with you for life, and we can go anywhere you wanna go. Ooh, there's no place we can't go. Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you.
Thank you very much for watching. I'd appreciate it if you would give me a like and even give me a subscribe. That would be awesome. And I'm going to end this with final pictures that I have from the storm that came through, the tornado that came through. It's unbelievable.